If you're curious about how to use mobile tools to simulate early retirement timelines, stick around, because I'm about to show you exactly how to do it. And just to be clear, I'm not getting paid for promoting any of these tools. No affiliate links here. This is just straight up value that can help you understand how far along your retirement journey you really are. Most people think of retirement planning as something that requires complex spreadsheets, financial advisors, and endless paperwork, right? Well, the truth is, with just your mobile phone, you can start mapping out your retirement timeline right now. And I'm talking about a way that's easy, fast, and actually predictive, not just a shot in the dark. So, what's the first thing you need to know? You've got to identify the tools that can take your current financial situation and give you a picture of what your future could look like. But not just any tools, tools that are designed for this kind of predictive modeling. A lot of people miss this step, assuming their current apps or budgeting tools will do the trick. Spoiler, they don't. Most apps only track your spending or savings, but don't predict how those actions will affect your future. If you want to get a real idea of when you can retire, you need a tool that models your retirement age based on real, actionable data. Now, for the tools themselves. You're going to want to use a mobile-friendly retirement planning app. Apps like Personal Capital and Fidelity's Retirement Planner can help you set your goals and track your progress, but the trick is to use them in a specific way. Don't just input your current numbers. Use the future prediction features they offer to simulate what will happen if you add more to your savings or change your investment strategy. For example, if you're using Personal Capital, you can actually simulate different scenarios by adjusting your future contributions, investment returns, and retirement age. This feature allows you to see the long-term impact of small changes today, whether that's increasing your savings or deciding to retire a year earlier. It's not magic, it's just smart planning. And your mobile phone gives you everything you need to access that knowledge in an instant. The real trick to these apps is how well they integrate with your actual bank accounts, so you're not manually entering data all the time. This is key because the more accurate your current data, the better your projections will be. Some apps even go as far as predicting tax implications or your withdrawal rates in retirement, which is crucial for long-term planning. This kind of tool allows you to see not only how much you'll have, but how long it will last once you start drawing from it. I know what you're thinking. Why is this important? Well, here's the deal. Retirement is not just about having a big lump sum of money. It's about understanding how long that money will last once you leave your job. You could be a millionaire today, but if you're not accounting for inflation, healthcare costs, or market volatility, you might end up running out of money way too soon. Here's where things get interesting. Most of these apps will allow you to model what happens if you retire earlier than expected or in a different market environment. This is one of the key insights I want you to consider. The earlier you plan, the more likely you'll get the lifestyle you want. The apps give you the power to make that kind of decision, and that's why these tools are game changers for anyone looking to simulate their retirement timeline. If you want to get even more in-depth, you can use more specialized financial apps like Retirement Planner by Wealthfront or Smart Assets Retirement Calculator, both of which are also available on mobile. These apps go the extra mile by incorporating your personal spending habits, expected healthcare costs, and even Social Security benefits to give you a detailed retirement timeline. But before you go downloading every app under the sun, here's one last thing I want to mention. Consistency is key. Using these tools every few months to check your progress and adjust your plan will put you in a much stronger position as you near retirement. Now, if you've made it this far and you see the value in these tools for simulating your early retirement timeline, don't forget to subscribe. Support content that doesn't have hidden incentives like affiliate commissions, and get access to more honest, no-nonsense financial tips. So, what's your next step? Start tracking your current situation, play around with some of these apps, and create a clear, actionable roadmap for your early retirement. Trust me, the earlier you start, the better.